Hello. This is what happens when you try to tone your hair with hair dye and you're not a professional. I've been doing like the same type of eyeliner for the last year or 2 years, and I thought today we could try some like spicier eyeliner tricks or styles. I have taken this envelope and drawn like 10 different eyeliner shapes or like styles on it, but that is the state of my eyelids. I think a lot of the styles I'm going to try today are specifically for hooded eyes, so it's supposed to look good if you have a very deep crease that folds in. And before we begin, we actually have another sponsor for today. I know I've been working with quite a few brands lately, and I just wanted to say thank you guys so much, because honestly none of this would be possible at all without you guys, and so I'm just so eternally grateful. Every day I wake up and I'm like, wow, I can't believe I have people that care about me and care about my content and support me in everything I do, and it's just, I love you guys. Also a little bit late, but we surpassed 25K, which is insane. From the bottom of my heart, I just wanted to say thank you guys for all this. This is just truly amazing, and I never would have thought that I'd be here today doing this and working with these brands that I absolutely love, and just, yeah, this is my awkward self trying to convey my emotions to people. It's so hard. I just want you to know that those emotions are there. So the sponsor for today is actually Ana Luisa, and I absolutely love Ana Luisa jewelry. They are both a sustainable as well as affordable jewelry brand, and I couldn't be happier to be working with them. Their jewelry starts at $39, which is so good. So they don't mark up their prices like some luxury brands do, and their jewelry is just great quality. They do have a 365-day warranty, but the jewelry itself actually lasts way longer than that. So it's definitely a brand to check out if you're looking for something for yourself or something as a gift for someone else. So they sent me 3 items that I wanted to show you guys. The first is this bracelet. This is the Rowena bracelet, and this is the prettiest flower bracelet ever. It's so dainty and elegant, and it's such a cute, simple piece to pair with your outfits. I also have on the Ava necklace set. It's actually 3 separate necklaces together that you can kind of stack up, and lately I have been into stacking necklaces. I think it just makes everything look so much edgier and, you know, put together. And then the final piece I wanted to show you guys is actually a pair of earrings. This is called D, and it's actually a safety pin inspired earring with a little bit of crystal details, but I love these earrings. They're kind of minimalistic. I've gotten a lot of compliments on them, and I just love these earrings. So I definitely recommend you guys to check out Ana Luisa. I will have my link down below as well as a discount code. If you use the code SARAHPAN10, you will get 10% off. So now we are actually gonna try some of the eyeliner. I have some makeup on. I have my BB cream. I'm gonna zoom in now. Fair warning. So there's my face. I'm gonna start off with the first liner style that I've seen. This is actually liner on the eyelid. I've seen some people do this, but I'm really scared. They just do like 1 stroke. That's I don't know. I have my makeup wipe already. I think that looks kind of cool. I'm gonna extend it forward again. That's the first eyeliner. Do I like that? I think I need fake lashes. The application of my lashes could have been better, but I kind of like this. I'm gonna try to do this on this eye too, but I know it's gonna be hard. It sucks because my eyes are different shapes, so I feel like if I draw the same line, it's gonna look different. Do you see that? It like disappears with my fold. This is taking so long. So we have this with eyelashes and without eyelashes, but I feel like with eyelashes it looks good only if it's like half creased. So let me just throw eyelashes on the other side too, and we can see what it looks like. But I'm worried because the sun's going out and I don't have a light set up. So this is what we have for the first one. I kind of dig this. It's looking good. My eye always has to be like half closed for it to look good, otherwise. Actually, this kind of looks cute too. It was pretty easy, honestly. Just gotta like draw that line correctly, and I think the side's a little bit higher, so it might be like not proportional. But that's okay. The next style I wanted to try is actually an extension of this, I think. Basically, I've seen people draw their eyeliners like just connecting this to the liner line. I'm just gonna work on top of what I have here and extend my liner from the bottom to the top. That was not clean. Oh, that's cute though. Sorry, I have my mirror like to my face because I'm blind. Oh my god, my hand is shaking. This is the second look, and this is so pretty too. I think I might have like curved this a little bit too high. Do you see how it's like very curved? I feel like usually it goes like a little bit straighter across. This is my face. I always joke about my face being close up, but I feel like I'm just like going ham with the close-ups now. This is so pretty. I love this, and I can't see anything because I'm blind, but I can see it in my mirror and I like what I see. So those were the first two, and I have to like take this off now, but I don't want to. This is so pretty. Oh my god, this is getting really messy. The next one's actually a very popular way that people with hooded eyes do their eyeliner, I think. It's the one where you actually don't fill it in and you kind of draw. We'll just do it. I don't know how to describe things. So I'm just gonna do my regular line underneath my eye. For hooded eyes, the tip is always just not to fill in anything in the front half of your eyes. So I'm finding wherever my fold is, I'm going in and just, why is this? That's a little messy, but we're gonna clean it up. And then from here, I'm just gonna connect this along the halfway mark. That looks like a mess, but I'm gonna fill it in now. This eyeliner is really not working on me today. I'm just gonna continue along my fold for this. Yeah, that is a little bit heavy, isn't it? And then what some people like to do is add that tip in the front. I feel like my eyes are a little like close together, so I don't know if the tip is gonna look good, but let's just try it anyways. Oh god, this is so hard to draw. I feel like my tip is a little too high. It's like the thinnest line across. Okay, this is very not straight. Like, I did a terrible job, but I'm kind of shook at how my eye looks so different. So what is this sorcery? So actually, let me do the other eye before I put on the false lashes, because I want to see how it looks without the lashes, you know? I don't know why this eyeliner is kind of dried out. Why did I blink? Why did I blink? Oh my god. Okay, not my best job, but wow. I feel kind of like, I feel scary. I feel like I could really beat someone up with this face. Let me put the lashes back on. This is what it looks like up close. It's very intense, but still kind of cute, you know? So that was the third one. And I think we have enough sunlight to do two more. So the next look is actually not gonna be using eyeliner. It's gonna be using eyeshadow, or I guess if you have powder liner, is that a thing? Basically, it's lining the bottom of your lid so you don't put any eyeliner on the top of your lid. I think it looks really cool, but I don't know how, you know, how good I'm gonna do this. So I'm taking this eyebrow brush, actually. I'm getting like a black, dragging that up. What I might do is actually just like kind of do a top line, like just very faintly. I'm kind of like pulling it down a little. And that is what we have. I think I kind of like this. It makes my eyes look a little more like downturned because they're kind of sloped upwards, and it's not bad. I'll do the other side and then we'll compare. So this is me living out my emo fantasies. I think it looks edgy and like a I don't really care about you kind of way, you know? As always, falsies will change the game. Actually, once you put the falsies on, it looks like you have eyeliner on top, so maybe these are not the right falsies to wear with this. I feel like I could add fake lashes, but we don't have much time. The sun is very slowly moving downwards. So let me just pull out my envelope. There's one more I want to try that's like more of a wild card, not that much. Definitely not something I've done ever before, so let's do that. My eyes are so irritated. So this one I've seen people do, and I'm not exactly sure if I'm gonna do it correctly, but it's basically 2 lines. 1 line is up top and then 1 line is below. So that corner where your eyelids meet, is that basically this like triangle, you don't like draw a line there, you draw above it and below it. So down here, we're gonna open downwards, I guess. So you have like a little bottom wing, and then on top, you have like a top wing that goes up. That's cute. Wait, I'm just gonna be a little extra and add another one to open it up. Wow. I did a somewhat terrible job with this, but let's do the other side now. This is kind of cute. It's actually very like simplistic. And then final thing, lashes. I cannot wear glasses with this. Okay. But yeah, this is number 5. I was gonna do so many more liners, but my eyes are irritated and I think there's like not enough sunlight to do anymore. So that's basically the video for today. I feel like I'm gonna do a lot of these new like eyeliner styles now because I really like some of them, but let me know which one was your favorite. I think mine has to be like number 2 or number 3. This was a lot of fun, so if you guys want me to do a part 2 to this, I would definitely do this. But that is basically the video for today. My eyelashes keep on getting stuck in my glasses. Thank you Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video, and remember, if you guys want to check out Ana Luisa, you can... Is it my eyelashes or is it my glasses? If you guys want to check out Ana Luisa, I will leave the link down below. Feel free to use my discount code if you would like. My eyelashes keep on getting stuck. And as always, if you like my face, please like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys next time.